AliExpress is actually free, but there are new methods, so as I can show you, because people are complaining I usually do same things on Amazon. So today I'm gonna do a new thing so as you guys can see too. Alright, we are here in AliExpress. Let us create an account. Let us join to create a new account. Now here you'll see guys that you have to keep your email, and then later on you have to verify your email. So this is the website where you can get 10 minutes temporary email and every message if you want to verify your account. Here you can get. So this is the new website. Please go and try it out. Alright, here is the email. You get 10 minutes. So let's just copy this and do it fast all the way. Paste it here. Name. Alright. Okay, just type in here NPT into the code below and create your account. So this will be your email. Alright, time's running guys, so you need to log in, auto login. Alright, it's logging by itself. And then alright, go to AliExpress homepage. Now from here you need to do is go to AliExpress account and create an account in Alipay so you can get free stuff from, as you can see here is Alipay account. Just need to go here. It will take you directly to that page so as we can. Alright, now here you just need to sign in. Verify your account. Then sign in. It's verified. Will take you directly to the Alipay page. And then as you can see, it's now these are the actual steps you need to do. I'll show you how. Now here you just need to write your card 6ZU5 U5, send a confirmation. Now you'll get a confirmation email regarding that you have an Express. Alright, you have one message on the Express. There will be a second one, I think, so let me just refresh the page. 10 minutes. You can refresh it by getting more 10 minutes. Alright, let me just confirm my email address. Right, and then you can see here too, I got a mail of the confirmation from Alipay, so you just need to confirm it. Alright, takes you to this page. Now you have to create your own password in letters, 6 digits. Alright, okay, what's your favorite color? Silver. Favorite fit? Apple. And what's your favorite first pet's name? Lovely. Alright, then submit it. As your account has been set up. Now you need to go to AliExpress account. .com and then just type in iPhone 7. If you want anything, even Samsung and Galaxy S8, Samsung, any Samsung phone. So here some iPhone 7. I may choose one from this. Alright, let's go with this. It'll take you to a page, alright, and then add to cart, one piece, add to cart. Okay, alright, you have to choose here. Choose the iPhone 7 Plus 32 GB black. Alright, add to your cart, adding product to your cart, view shopping cart. Just go to your shopping cart, and then you just need to buy from the seller. You just need to type in all the address and your name and everything. So here you have to type your name and address and all that. So let me do. Okay, just contact name should be Bush John. Alright, Street, city, okay, region, postal code, phone number, save. So everything's correct. Alright, ship to this address, review as a kept more. Now here it's normal, you have to just go and click it to your card. Credit card generator, card generator. Alright, this was fast, that's why. Now here you have to just write your credit card number and all that. Generate Visa. Alright, you can see its name. Alright, this is a Visa. Okay, right color pass, just copy and paste the card name. Here. The first name should be here, the second name should be there. Alright, the card number should be this. Here's the card number. Expiration date, it's 12th of 18. 12 of 18. What's the security code of the card? 110. 110. Alright, done. As you can see, it will automatically show you Visa. Confirm and so pay. Here you just need to confirm and pay, and directly it will take you to the checkout page, and thank you for ordering your item. So guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. It will directly take you to this page.